G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. Most of us love chips or fries, whichever way you want to call it. They're incredibly delicious, but they're deep fried and made out of potatoes. So I'm going to flip everything on their head and make them healthy. So join me today as I make my version of air fried sweet potato chips. Okay, so we want to start off with the star of our show, and that's a sweet potato. So obviously the first thing you want to do is just peel it like so. And then we want to cut it lengthways so we get to the desired size of our fries. So it's up to you how thick or thin you want them. It's completely optional. But just keep in mind, the thicker you do them, chances are the slightly longer cooking time will be, but it's really not much of an issue. So do you like your chips thick or do you like them thin? Leave a comment in the description below. Personally, I like thicker chips. I'm not really a fan of fries or French fries. I really love those thicker versions. And also the thicker ones, when you deep fry them, are actually healthier because they don't have as much oil, even though they're thicker. Okay, so once we've got all our sweet potato fries, just place them into a bowl. And next we're just going to drizzle on some olive oil. Just be generous so you've got enough there to coat all the fries. Then for some taste, I'm going to sprinkle on some garlic powder. And just going to move them around and put a bit more on, just so they're all coated. And lastly, some salt. And again, just toss around to coat. It is really that simple. Okay, so we've got our air fryer. And we're just going to place our fries, our sweet potato fries, into our air fryer. Just try and have them spaced out as much as you can. Make sure they're not sticking too close together. Fries at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 minutes. But halfway through, I want you to pull out the basket, give it a good shake, put it back in and let it cook away for the remaining 7 minutes. That'll just prevent all those fries from sticking together and make sure they're cooked evenly all the way through. Okay, so it's been 7 minutes, so we're just going to pull them out. As you can see, they're already starting to brown a little bit. And just give it a good shake, just to mix them all up. And place it in for the remaining 7 minutes. Now let's see how our fries have turned out. Oh, look at those. They look delicious, don't they? Whoop, still hot. A little bit crispy on the outside, but you can feel the softness as well. And they smell delicious, especially with the garlic. But there's only one way to find out. Okay, a bit hot. Oh, that is delicious. That is really, really delicious. It's really nice and soft on the inside, but nice and crispy on the outside. And that garlic and salt mixed together really does bring it up another notch. So this is not only the healthiest version of fries you'll ever make, or chips, whichever way you prefer, but it's also incredibly simple, but incredibly delicious. Now you can have it as a snack during the day or part of a bigger meal, but either way, these sweet potato fries in an air fryer are going to taste simply delish.